If you have been looking for a bright and opened end-unit townhome in Maple Grove, I have the perfect match for you. My name is Kylie Binstock with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and welcome to 17513 69th Place North. This well-maintained 2-bedroom, 4-bathroom home features vaulted ceilings in both the living and dining room, a spacious kitchen with ample counter and storage space, and 2 large bedrooms on the upper level, both with their own private bathrooms. To townhome living. This lower level features an oversized family room that also could be used as a 3rd bedroom or a flex space. It also has its own private bathroom. Move in right in time for summer to enjoy a cocktail or a coffee on this maintenance-free deck. Call me today for a private showing. This end unit townhome won't last long.